What's going on, trading world? Welcome to this video where I'm going to show you guys how to use social trader tools, what it is, how to actually set it up, and my personal story with social trader tools and how it actually really helped me to like scale up last summer. It's one of the reasons I did so well with FTMO. I got that interview with FTMO. I made a bunch of money. So what social traders tools is, it's a web-based application that allows you to copy trades from one of your MT4 accounts to another MT4 account. Okay, you can also do it from MT4 to 5 or the other way around, or you can do MT5 to MT5. Now just a quick explanation why this would be beneficial would be like, let's say you have a you have a 100k funded account, and then you also have a personal account like I do. I like to just use I don't really use MT4 desktop. I use my phone. So if I place a trade on one account, it automatically copies to all the other accounts, and I can set those parameters. Why this is beneficial and why this is useful, like for me personally, I like doing a 100k challenge. I don't like doing 200k challenges. I don't like seeing the 300k, 400k, whatever. I just feel like 100k for me is the best challenge, as I'm not investing too much money, but I can afford to lose it, a couple of times or whatever. And I'm very used to trading the 100k account. So for me, I can have 100k account going, one verification going, two funded accounts going. So what I'm going to do to show you guys like what I was doing last summer, I'm going to put something up on the screen, and here you guys can see last summer, I had one a funded FTMO, and it was up like $107,000. I had another funded one. I had Forex funds, and I had two verifications, and I was doing all of these things. I was placing the trade on one account, and it was copying over to my verification, my other funded account. And this really helped me scale up so much last summer, man. I made so much damn money last summer just by using social traders tools and using one 100k funded account. And then just I was on fire. So a lot of you may be in this situation where you have one funded account, you're trying to go for the second one, but you want to have that focus, the laser focus on that one account, that one trade. But when you place that one trade, it's going to copy over to the other one. So yeah, man, before I even show you guys how to do this, let me pop up something else on the screen. This was my biggest day of last year. This was June 14th of 2021. This was my biggest week, biggest day. I think the day was this day I made $14,500 and roughly $35,000 for the week. This is before profit split. This is the day I knew I was no longer going to be employed. I was no longer going to have a job. This day I knew it was over. Like, there was no way. Once you see those numbers like that, it's crazy. So this is a great tool. So let me show you guys how this works, okay? The first thing you're going to need to do is obviously sign up with the social trader tools. You're going to have to pick a package. I'm just showing you. I just made two demo accounts just to show you guys. I don't actually have my live accounts put up there, but you're going to have to pick a package. I think to connect two accounts, it's $20. To connect like 5, it's $60. So I don't think you're going to need more than 5. I had 5 last year. So what you're going to want to do is, as soon as you have purchased that, you're gonna want to go into configurations. This is, by the way, the dashboard. This is like where it'll show you what your equity is, what the balance is. I have 100k and a 200k demo. Are there any trades open? What's the lot size on the trades? Stuff like that. Okay, how much you made for this month, day, all that stuff. Once you have signed up, you need to add an account. All right, so I've already added 2 of my accounts. Now, it's not going to let me add another account because I don't have more space, but it's very, very easy to actually add an account. So I'll actually I'll see if I can go into edit, okay? Let's see if we can find it. Okay, that's fine. So in accounts, once you go into accounts, you're going to need to put in a name, whatever you want to call the account. Then you're going to copy your account number, copy your password, and then you're going to need to pick the server. So with FTMO, it's like FTMO demo. My Forex fund is like, whatever it is with them. And with your personal accounts, you just find the server off the website, put that in. It takes about a minute for it to connect to the website. It's 100% safe. So adding the accounts is not a big deal. That's very easy to do. Now I have these 2 accounts added here, and I did it in this way on purpose. 200k, 100k, so I can show you guys in the case scenario. 100k, I love trading the 100k, but you know what? I just recently passed the 200k challenge as well. So now I'm going to have a 200k. How I would go about connecting these 2 accounts to make sure that, everything is being done smoothly. So once this is done, you go to Trade Copier, okay? And you go to Create Copier. So I have FTMO 100k and 200k. This is actually a real scenario. I actually do have 100k and a 200k now. So what I'm actually going to be doing later on this week when I actually get the credentials for the 200K. I always like trading my 100K. So I'm going to keep this as the master account. All right. This is going to be your master account. This is the one that you're going to open on your phone, on your desktop. You're going to place a trade, and whatever trade you place will be the master. Like, this is what's going to send the signal to all the other accounts. So the account that I wanted to copy to is the FTMO 200K. Okay. And for risk type, we're going to pick lot multiplier. Okay, there's other settings that you can play with, risk multiplier by equity, by balance, but I've never even really played with those things, and the best way is just do lot multiplier. Okay, now let's say you had two 100K accounts, right? In the multiplier, you would put 1, because let's say you place 5 lots on AU, on your other 100K, it will just copy the same trade, 5 lots on AU. But because I have 100K and this one is 200K, and I want to place, let's say, 5 lots on AU, but on the 200K, those 5 lots should really be 10 lots. So the multiplier here is going to be 2. Okay. Do I want to copy existing trades? No, because these are going to be fresh accounts, and you just hit I have read the terms and conditions, and you hit create copier. Okay. Now once you have done this, there's one last major step you have to do, which is, I believe it's this button right here, and you got to turn it on. All right. Update. Boom. It's turned on. Now today is actually Sunday. The markets are not open yet, but if I were to actually go into my phone on this 100K account, right, the first one, which is the master account, if I was to go into this and place a trade, you would see that there's one trade open here, one trade open here. It'll tell you 5 lots here, 10 lots here. It'll tell you how much money each account has made or lost for the day, for the week, for the month, the total. It's a really great tool to use. Honestly, if you are somebody who's at a point where you have more than one funded account, you have one funded account, but you're doing another, verification, you're doing another challenge, you want to stack accounts, this is something I did last summer, and I'll put up that picture again, where you guys can see this is how I was murdering a lot. This is probably one of the reasons I got interviewed by FTMO last year, because I was just stacking accounts and I was just banging out trades and I was just murdering it, right? That's how I made 30K in 1 month. It wasn't 30K off one account. It was just these accounts that were one master account, and the other one was just getting copied. I think I had one scaled up account that had 125K balance as well at one point. So and you can see in the picture, it even says there's 3 trades open, and they're all open with 10 lots. So great tool. I thought I'd share it with you guys, and it's pretty straightforward to use. I just showed you guys how to use it. Add the account, turn on the trade copier, and for the settings, you want to just make sure for the settings, you want to go to risk. So you go to risk settings, and you want to do lot multiplier. If it's the same accounts, if they're both 100K, you do 1. If it's, you can do 2. And if you have a personal account, which is like less, like let's say you have a personal account that's 50K and you have 100K funded, you would just put 0.50. So that would do half the lot size. So 5 lots would be like 2.5 lots. So anyways, I hope this video helps somebody out. I got a lot of people asking me to do this video. So this is how you use it. It's a great tool. Make use of it. Do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button so I can continue making videos like this. Have a wonderful day.